Hello, I'm very excited today because I got my order of Pop On Veneers. I placed the order about 2.5 weeks ago. I got a couple chips and, gaps. I just wanted to look nice for when I step out. The order was very, very easy. They sent me a molding kit I had to bite down. Not hard work at all. I sent it back and in about 2 weeks. I got my Pop On Veneers in the mail. So, I wanted y'all to see what I look like without them. And I'm going to show you what I look like with them. So, they sent me very, very nice kit. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Get your own. Place your order. Easy. What? Look good already. Y'all can't tell me I ain't ready for somebody movie set. So, do yourself a favor. Put in the order. You won't be disappointed. Thank you. Y'all have a good one.